What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face after waking up.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with a glass of water and some stretching.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and a cup of tea for breakfast.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It usually takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
What time do you leave for work or school?
I leave for work around 8 in the morning.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus every day.
How long does your journey take?
My journey takes about 20 minutes.
What do you usually do on the way to work?
I listen to music or podcasts on the way to work.
What time do you start your work?
I start my work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What kind of work do you do?
I work as a teacher at a language institute.
How do you spend your morning at work?
I usually check emails and attend meetings in the morning.
When do you take your lunch break?
I take my lunch break at 1 o'clock.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken curry for lunch.
Where do you eat your lunch?
I eat my lunch in the office cafeteria.
What do you do after lunch?
I take a short walk or talk with my colleagues after lunch.
What time do you finish work?
I finish my work at 5 in the evening.
How do you feel after work?
I feel a bit tired but happy to go home.
What do you do on your way home?
I sometimes buy groceries on my way home.
What time do you reach home?
I reach home around 6 in the evening.
What do you do after getting home?
I change my clothes and take some rest after getting home.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I watch TV or go for a walk in the evening.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week in the evening.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do light jogging and stretching exercises.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 8 o'clock.
Who cooks dinner at your home?
My mother usually cooks dinner for the family.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I like to eat vegetables and rice for dinner.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, I always eat dinner with my family.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax and sometimes check social media after dinner.
What kind of shows do you like to watch?
I like to watch comedy and news shows.
Do you read books at night?
Yes, I read English books before sleeping.
How long do you read before bed?
I read for about 20 minutes before bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30.
How many hours do you sleep every night?
I sleep for about 7 hours every night.
Do you check your phone before sleeping?
Yes, I check messages before sleeping.
What do you think about before sleeping?
I think about my day and plans for tomorrow.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I wake up a bit late, around 8 o'clock on weekends.
How is your weekend routine different?
On weekends, I relax, clean the house, and meet friends.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I cook something new and delicious on weekends.
What do you usually do on Sunday morning?
I usually clean my room and wash clothes on Sunday morning.
Do you like to take naps during the day?
Yes, I take short naps after lunch sometimes.
How long do you take a nap for?
I take a nap for about 30 minutes.
What time do you usually drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea in the morning and in the evening.
Who wakes you up in the morning?
I wake up by myself with the help of an alarm.
What do you wear for work?
I wear formal clothes for work.
What kind of shoes do you wear daily?
I wear comfortable black shoes daily.
How do you spend your lunch breaks?
I talk with my colleagues and enjoy my meal.
What do you do when you reach home tired?
I take a shower and relax on the sofa.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV for an hour every day.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to soft and relaxing music.
What time do you usually check your emails?
I check my emails in the morning and evening.
How do you prepare for the next day?
I pack my bag and plan my schedule for the next day.
What do you do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth and say prayers before going to bed.
How do you feel when you wake up early?
I feel fresh and energetic when I wake up early.
What is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is evening time.
What do you do when you have free time?
I watch movies or talk with friends in free time.
Do you like to go for morning walks?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the fresh morning air.
How do you usually spend your mornings?
I spend my mornings getting ready and planning my day.
What do you do when you feel sleepy at work?
I drink coffee or splash water on my face.
How do you manage your time daily?
I make a schedule and follow it strictly.
What do you usually do during lunch hours?
I eat and relax for a while during lunch hours.
What time do you finish your dinner?
I finish my dinner around 9 o'clock.
Do you use social media daily?
Yes, I use social media for about 30 minutes daily.
How do you spend your nights?
I spend my nights reading or watching something.
What do you do when you wake up late?
I get ready quickly and skip some tasks.
Do you have a morning routine?
Yes, I follow a routine of exercise, breakfast, and planning.
What do you do to stay organized?
I make a to-do list every morning.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every weekend.
What do you do after waking up on holidays?
I relax and have breakfast with my family on holidays.
What time do you have breakfast on weekends?
I have breakfast around 9 in the morning on weekends.
What kind of breakfast do you like?
I like toast with butter and boiled eggs for breakfast.
What do you do after finishing work?
I rest and spend time with my family after work.
Do you spend time with your friends daily?
No, I meet them only in the evenings or weekends.
How do you usually relax after a busy day?
I listen to music or watch TV to relax.
What do you do before leaving for work?
I eat breakfast and check that everything is ready.
What kind of clothes do you wear at home?
I wear light and comfortable clothes at home.
Do you like to take showers in the morning or evening?
I prefer taking showers in the morning.
What do you do when you have too much work?
I stay focused and finish tasks one by one.
How do you usually plan your day?
I plan my day the night before.
What time do you return home from work?
I return home at around 6 in the evening.
How do you spend your mornings on holidays?
I sleep longer and enjoy a slow breakfast.